Here's a 2013 Chrysler 300. It's exceptional in every way, from its aggressive exterior to its soft, luxurious interior. This 300 sets the standard for stunning. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, keyless enter and go, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive think the new Chrysler 300 is the finest sedan that Chrysler Corporation has ever built. Chrysler, where top-flight engineering meets affordable luxury. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.